Children, good morning. Take your activity book, children. Open page number 32. Okay, children, take your activity book. Open page number 32. Our chapter name is addition. Already we finished this chapter. Okay, children, now practice. Can you place the correct numbers in the given circles? See here, children, what are these? These are parrots. In first box, how many parrots are there, children? Count and say ma. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. How many parrots in first box? 15. Yes, children. Count in second box parrots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many parrots in second box? 10. Now we can do the addition. 15 plus 10. 15 plus 10. See, children. This is ones place. In ones place, 5 and 0 are there. So, 0 means nothing. Yes, 0 means nothing. So, 5 is come to down. So, in ones place, what is the number here? 5. So, write down first 5. Next, here tens place 1 and 1. 1 plus 1. How much, children? 1 plus 1. Take one finger, one after 2. How many fingers? 2. So write down in tens place 2. This is ones place value. This is tens place value. Yes or no? So how many parrots are there in two boxes? Totally 25 parrots. Okay. Come to the second one, Nana. Here, see, children, how many flowers are there in first box? Count and say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. Write down 23. Next, how many flowers are there in the second box? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Write down 5. So, now we can do the addition. 23 plus 5. 23 plus 5. See here, see, children. In ones place, 3 and 5 are there. Yes, sir. In tens place, nothing is there. So, put 0 in tens place. In ones place, 3 and 5. Like this, you have to do 23. Only 5 is there. So, in tens place, keep 0 like this. Okay. See, children. Here 3 plus 5. 3 plus 5. Take 5 fingers, all of you. Take 5 fingers. 3 after 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many? 8. Take 5 fingers. 3 after 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next, 2 plus 0. 0 means nothing. 0 means nothing. If you add any number with 0, that number only is came. Yes or no? You already learned. So, 2 plus 0 is equal to 2 only. 2 is come to down. 2 is come to down. So, finally, how many flowers are there? In two boxes, there are 28 flowers. Come to the third line. See, children, what are these? These are bottles. How many bottles are there, ma, in first box? Count and say. Are you following? Okay, children, very good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. In each line, 10 bottles are there. How many lines are there? There are 3 lines. So, 3 tens are how much, children? 3 tens are 30. There are 10 bottles in first line. See carefully. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Finally 30 bottles. In each line 10. So 10 into 3 is equal to 30 bottles. So write down 30. Next. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 plus 1. In each line 10 bottles. In another line 1. So 10 plus 1. 10 after how much? 11. So write down 11. So now we can do addition. 30 plus 11. 30 plus 11. Write like this, ma. 30 plus 11. Addition symbol is what, children? Plus. So here see, in ones place 0 and 1 are there. So if any number add with 0, that number only is came. So here 1 is there. So 1 is come to down. See tens place. This is tens place. 3 plus 1. 3 plus 1. So take how many fingers here? Under number is what, children? 1. So take one finger here. Upper number is what? 3. So which number after you have to count now? 3 after. So take one finger. Count 3 after 4. 3 after 4. Write down, children, here in tens place 4. So how many bottles are there totally? There are 41 bottles. See, children, in fourth line, what are these, ma? These are different types of leaves. Yes or no? Okay, how many leaves are there in first box? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Write down 11. Next, in second box, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There are 12 leaves in second box. So add these two numbers now. So write down like this, ma. 11 plus 12. 11 plus 12. So take how many fingers here? Down number is what? 2. So take 2 fingers now. Up number is 1. So 1 after you have to count now for addition. 1 after 2, 3. Listen again. Take 2 fingers. 1 after 2, 3. So write down in ones place 3. Okay. Next, in tens place 1 and 1 are there. So 1 plus 1. How much? Take 1 finger. 1 after 2. Take 1 finger. 1 after 2. So write down 2 in tens place. So finally how many leaves are there, children? There are 23 leaves in 2 boxes. Okay. So next page, ma. See, children, here add the following numbers by carrying. These are the additions by carrying, children. See carefully. Here 45 plus 37. In ones place, what numbers are there? 5 and 7. So under number is what? 7. So you take 7 fingers now. So take 7 fingers, children, all of you. Take 7 fingers. 5 after 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. How many fingers, ma? 12. So Write down 1 in tens place and 2 in ones place. 1 in tens place. 1 is carry to over in tens place. 1 is carrying number. So write down in tens place. 2 is in ones place. Next tens place. See children, under number is 3. So take 3 fingers now. So take 3 fingers. 4 after 5, 6, 7. 7 and also should count this carrying number also. 7 plus 1 is equal to how much? Take 1 finger. 7 after 8. Write down in tens place 8. So answer is 82. 82. Come to the second sum children. Here 6 is there. So take 6 fingers all of you. Take 6 fingers all of you ma. Here 4 after count. 4 after 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Again 10 is came. So write down 1 in carrying number in tens place and 0 in ones place. See children here, if 10 is came, 0 is ones place, 1 is in tens place. So write down 0 in ones place and 1 in tens place. 1 in tens place. Okay children, here under number is 1. So take how many fingers here children? Take 1 finger only. Which number after you have to count? 7 after. 7 after how much? 8. 7 after 8. Here 8 plus 1 also you have to count. 8 plus 1. 8 after 9. So write down 9 in tens place. 90. Third sum, take how many fingers here? 1 finger. Take 1 finger everyone. Which number after you have to count now children? 9 after. So 9 after how much? 10. So write down 1 in tens place, 0 in ones place. So here 8, here is nothing. So 8 plus 1 is equal to how much? 9. 8 plus 1 is equal to 9. Answer is 90. Next sum, 7 plus 8. So take 8 fingers all of you. 7 after you have to count. 7 after 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Write down 1 in tens place, 5 in ones place. Here see, take 3 fingers now all of you. Which number after you have to count now? 5 after. 5 after 6, 7, 8. 8 plus 1 how much? 9. So answer is 95. So take 9 fingers here. Take 9 fingers or take 1 finger. Which is the less number? Take 1 finger. 9 after how much? 10. So write down 10. 1 is in tens place. 0 is in ones place. Here take 2 fingers. 6 after 7, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. So 90 is the answer. So here take 3 fingers. 8 after 9, 10, 11. So write down 1 here and 1 here. Take 4 fingers everyone. 1 after 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. Next line. Here see ma. Next sum. Take 6 fingers everyone. 6 after 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Write down 1 in tens place, 2 in ones place. Take 3 fingers here. 2 after 3, 4, 5. 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. Here take 9 fingers. 2 after you have to count. 2 after 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So write down 11. 1 is here and 1 is here. So count 8 plus 1. 8 plus 1 is equal to how much? 9. 8 after 9. Yes or no? So 91 is the answer. Next, take 9 fingers again. One after you should count ma. Or else 9 plus 1 you can add. 9 after 10. So write down 10 like this. There are 3 ones. See here, 1, 1, 1. 3 ones, 3. Write down 3. Answer is 30. Next, take 4 fingers. 9 after 10, 11, 12, 13. Like this you have to write. Take 1 finger now. 3 after 4. 4 plus 1, 5. 53 is the answer. 53 is the answer. Write neatly ma. Next, take 6 fingers. 7 after 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Next, 4 plus 1 how much? 5. Take 1. 4 after 5. Next, 53 is the answer. 47 plus 6 is equal to 53. Next sum. Here 5 is there under number 5. So take 5 fingers. 5 after you should count. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2 5s are how much children? 2 5s are 10. So write down 1 here and 0 here. 1 is in tens place, that is carrying number. Here in ones place write down 0. Here under number is 3. So take under number how much? 3. Take 3 fingers. Which number after you should count here? 5 after. So take 3 everyone. 5 after. 6, 7, 8. So 8 plus 1. 8 plus 1. How much? Take 1. 8 after 9. So 55 plus 35 is equal to 90. So practice these sums in your rough notebook children again. We will meet again in next class children. Thank you. Bye.